Mbombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host, Limpo Mohale. It's a Pathway Premiership clash in the Mbombela Stadium between TS Galaxy and Kaizer Chiefs. A game of two which has ended in a draw, 0-0 to both sides. Natakalo lads, that's why I'm game we won Jan.
Hey, we had a lot of chances, but we missed.
Yeah, I missed too much.
We missed blind.
Fire man.
We had more than 10 chances, but we missed. Say, I'm going home to Ladinberg, but I'm sad.
Yo.
This game wasn't on. We had a lot of chances.
Straight.
But we missed.
Yeah.
We missed a lot of chances.
Sure.
I was there, waiting, watching. But we missed.
Yeah.
But we missed. I'm very sad. I can't even see, but I can see if.
Yeah.
But I can see if a Kaizer Chiefs person is holding the ball. I can also see the numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we missed.
Sure.
What was going on?
Yeah.
At the point, yeah.
My sister, do you believe that second game here Lena back to back my sister Lena ithrow Lena ilandzelana nina nibalandzeli beKaizer Chiefs nikubona kuyindlela lenhle lena le throw lena kuthi nivale nge-throw na or are you not satisfied?
We're not satisfied because Pirates ibaleka ngali.
Man.
Pirates ibaleka ngali.
Yeah, the Pirates.
Pirates iyabaleka ngale.
Sure.
Manje sina sende njani? Pirates phela iyabaleka.
Bonakala.
Sundowns isemuva.
Yeah.
Sundowns ilingana nani konje? Inloka lokhu silandzela ku number 3 isikhukhuni. Yeah, ilandzela nosikhukhuni.
Yeah.
So it means ukuthi Pirates ibaleka ne league.
Yamba nayo le Pirates.
Angeke saphila. Angeke isayodlala na Sundowns, isayodlala ne Chiefs angeke.
Sure.
Yagcina manje kubalaka ne league angeke.
Eja.
Angeke.
My sister lena njengoba bebe kuyigame yokugcina lena performance for the year lena. Are you happy with the performance of the boys in besides the results or niyakhala vele kwanhlobo the performance nayo?
Ngiyakhala baba wami. Masiqale league. Ngathathi 1.3 yabo ngithe ngaskipa. Bafana bami basefomini kana.
Hayi, benzani abafana?
Abafana bayangidisappoint.
Benzani abafana?
Abafana bangidisappointa over. Bafana bangidisappointa over.
Great. Ngoya cool my sister, good luck.
Aye.